welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are on the 405 in Oregon, in Portland, Oregon. Alright, thought those were parts of Portland. Anyways. And we're running into some traffic. Okay, this traffic needs to stop. This is getting to be stupid. I ran into some traffic already, and it's just okay. Alright, so not really liking my GPS at this moment. My GPS, I just got off the Highway 5, Interstate 5, to get onto the 405. Now in 2 miles, it wants me to get back onto 5. I'm really not liking my GPS today. That's what happens when you don't look ahead on your GPS. If I just stayed on the 5, I would have just been able to just go through all this no problem. But here I am going through this part. Yeah, I'm not really liking this. Okay, anyways. Well, it is what it is. Can't change it now. Only thing we get to see now is Portland. So welcome. This is why you cannot rely on GPSs all the time. If I had just zoomed out, I would have seen that I would have stayed on the 5 and saved myself, probably about a half hour or less. Come on, people. I gotta wait. I'm gonna jump into the other lane because this is stupid. As soon as I get a chance to jump in that lane. Because this is stupid. Slow, but let's not do that. Let's just get out of this area. Everybody's driving slow. Oh, because everybody wants to get off in these spots. Oh well, hey, I've never been in this part of Portland before. Not by choice. And still, once again, not by choice. Gonna do a little detour here, I guess. Yeah, we got all through all that. You know, I had a GPS that my sister-in-law bought me for Christmas one year, and it wasn't made for a big truck. It was probably run, GPS for sure, still or just coming out, and it was expensive to get one. So I called this one Stoner. I called it Stoner because the thing would tell me to go through a spot, and then it will tell me to do a U-E, then do a U-E. So that means do a U-E, go back the other way, then do a U-E and go back the same way you're already going through. I called that Stoner. I had a Stoner of a GPS. Or it will tell me to drive down the road, and you look at the GPS, and the GPS wants you to turn right, but it's not telling you to turn right, it's telling you to go straight, then do a U-E, come back to this road that you just went past, and then turn down it. For no reason. No reason. And then it wasn't that long after that, I did get rid of the GPS, but in a really interesting way, and I really hope that it really worked out really well for them. But, someone stole the truck with all my stuff out of it and mail. So it kind of sucked. Had a big subwoofer in the little compartment where the TV would have been. It was a Freightliner, I think it was. Yeah, it was a Freightliner.